Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and today we're diving into the best garage door design ideas. Get ready to explore some stunning designs that blend aesthetics and functionality perfectly. Let's jump right in and discover what makes these garage doors stand out. This garage design immediately caught my eye with its charming blend of rustic and modern elements. I love the natural wood garage doors, which add warmth and a welcoming feel. The crossbuck design is a classic touch that enhances the overall aesthetic. The large windows bring in natural light and make the space feel more open. The stone driveway complements the rustic look perfectly and adds texture. If I were to make any changes, I might add some subtle exterior lighting to highlight the beautiful woodwork and provide added security. Overall, this garage design is both functional and visually appealing, creating a harmonious look with the home's exterior. I love the modern, sleek look of this garage. The horizontal wooden slats on the doors create a contemporary vibe that complements the minimalist design of the house. The combination of wood and glass adds both warmth and transparency, allowing natural light to filter through. The green grid driveway is a unique feature, adding a touch of nature and enhancing the curb appeal. It's also practical for drainage and reducing heat. If I were to make any changes, I might add a few more plants or landscaping elements to soften the overall look and add a bit more color. Overall, this design is both stylish and functional. I love the classic elegance of this garage design. The black paneled doors with upper windows add a timeless appeal and create a beautiful contrast against the white exterior. The carriage-style lamps above each door provide a charming touch and enhance the overall aesthetic. The windows allow natural light to brighten the interior, making it more functional and inviting. If I were to make any changes, I might consider adding some greenery or potted plants around the garage to soften the look and add a touch of nature. Overall, this design is both sophisticated and practical, seamlessly blending style and functionality. I adore the vibrant and unique look of this garage. The bold turquoise doors are a striking choice, adding a lively and cheerful element to the overall design. The intricate patterns on the doors add a touch of artistry, making them stand out even more. The terracotta roof tiles provide a beautiful contrast and complement the Mediterranean-style architecture. The lantern-style lighting fixture is a charming detail that enhances the ambiance. If I were to make any changes, I might add some colorful potted plants or a small garden area near the garage to tie in the bright colors and create a cohesive look. This design is both eye-catching and full of character. I'm really impressed by the rustic charm of these garage doors. The chevron pattern using reclaimed wood gives a unique, weathered look that adds character and depth. The mix of gray and red hues creates an interesting contrast that draws the eye. The brick driveway complements the rustic theme and adds a textured element that enhances the overall aesthetic. The black lantern-style light fixture adds a touch of elegance and practicality. If I were to make any changes, I might add some more greenery or climbing plants around the garage to bring a touch of nature and soften the look. This design is a perfect blend of rustic and refined elements. I love the classic and clean look of these garage doors. The white paneling with upper windows creates a timeless and elegant appearance. The natural light filtering through the windows brightens the garage, making it more inviting and functional. The surrounding shingle siding enhances the coastal, cottage-like charm of the design. The brass light fixtures add a touch of sophistication and are practical for illuminating the area. If I were to make any changes, I might add a few more colorful flowers or plants near the entrance to enhance the curb appeal further. Overall, this design is both beautiful and functional, perfect for a cozy, welcoming home. I really appreciate the elegance of this garage design. The arched doors with louvered panels give a refined Mediterranean feel that complements the house's architecture beautifully. The soft, neutral color palette is soothing and sophisticated, blending seamlessly with the stucco exterior and terracotta roof tiles. The lantern-style light fixtures add a touch of old-world charm and practicality. The cobblestone driveway enhances the overall aesthetic, adding texture and character to the space. If I were to make any changes, I might add a bit more greenery or flowering plants around the driveway to bring in some color and vibrancy. This design is both stylish and harmoniously integrated with the home's exterior. I love the rustic and modern fusion of this garage design. The reclaimed wood doors add a natural, earthy feel that contrasts beautifully with the sleek white exterior of the house. The simple horizontal paneling on the doors creates a clean and contemporary look. The industrial-style light fixtures above the garage are both stylish and functional, adding a touch of character to the design. The surrounding greenery softens the overall look and brings in a refreshing element. If I were to make any changes, I might add a few more plants or a small garden bed near the driveway to enhance the natural feel. This design perfectly balances rustic charm with modern elegance. I love the fresh and clean look of this garage design. The soft blue garage door adds a subtle pop of color that enhances the coastal vibe of the home. The white siding and trim create a crisp, airy feel that is both inviting and elegant. The small, classic lantern-style lights on either side of the door are a charming touch, adding both style and functionality. The simple open driveway keeps the focus on the beautiful exterior. If I were to make any changes, I might add a few more plants or a small flower bed along the sides to bring in some greenery and warmth. Overall, this design is bright, charming, and perfect for a coastal home. I appreciate the modern farmhouse appeal of this garage design. The dark garage door creates a striking contrast against the white siding, giving the exterior a bold, sophisticated look. The brick accents add texture and warmth, blending rustic elements with contemporary style. The black shutters and light fixtures tie the design together, providing a cohesive and polished appearance. The spacious driveway is practical for multiple vehicles and enhances the overall curb appeal. If I were to make any changes, I might add some potted plants or shrubs near the garage to bring in some greenery and soften the hardscape. Overall, this design is stylish, functional, and visually appealing. I really like the cohesive look of this garage design. The green garage door and matching shutters create a harmonious and inviting appearance. The beige siding and stone accents add warmth and texture, enhancing the home's curb appeal. The porch area is a nice touch, providing a welcoming entrance and a spot to enjoy the outdoors. The spacious driveway is practical for parking and adds to the overall functionality. If I were to make any changes, I might add some landscaping elements like flower beds or shrubs to soften the hardscape and bring in some color. This design is charming, well coordinated, and functional. I love the charming, traditional look of this garage design. The green garage door adds a pop of color that complements the red brick exterior beautifully. The matching front door with glass panels enhances the welcoming feel. The dark trim around the windows and doors creates a nice contrast and ties the design together. The dormer window adds character and extra light to the interior. The simple driveway is practical and functional. If I were to make any changes, I might add more plants or flower bed near the entrance to bring in more greenery and make the front yard more inviting. This design is both charming and cohesive. I love the contemporary elegance of this garage design. The dark garage doors create a striking contrast against the white exterior, adding a modern touch. The large windows on the house allow plenty of natural light to flood the interior, making it feel open and inviting. The varied roof lines add architectural interest and enhance the overall aesthetic. The long curved driveway is both practical and visually appealing, guiding visitors directly to the entrance. If I were to make any changes, I might add a few more plants or shrubs along the front to soften the look and add more greenery. Overall, this design is sophisticated, functional, and visually stunning. I love the simplicity and elegance of this garage design. The natural wood doors with small windows at the top create a warm and inviting feel. The light color of the wood contrasts beautifully with the white brick exterior, giving the design a fresh and modern look. The black hardware and industrial-style light fixtures add a touch of sophistication and practicality. The small plants flanking the garage entrance are a nice touch, bringing a bit of greenery and life to the space. If I were to make any changes, I might add a few more plants or a small garden bed to enhance the natural feel. Overall, this design is clean, stylish, and functional. I love the bright and airy feel of this garage design. The light blue doors add a refreshing pop of color against the crisp white brick exterior. The large windows at the top of each door bring in plenty of natural light, making the garage feel open and inviting. The black industrial-style light fixtures provide a nice contrast and add a touch of rustic charm. The lantern near the entrance is a beautiful detail that enhances the overall aesthetic. If I were to make any changes, I might add some more landscaping around the driveway to bring in more greenery and soften the hardscape. Overall, this design is cheerful, stylish, and functional. Thanks for joining me on this tour of stunning garage door designs. I hope you found some inspiration for your own home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design ideas and tips. See you in the next video.